A quick update on Access Protocol, up about 2% on the week here. So, I mean, you look at the chart here, and I mean, this thing could go lower because you broke the trend here that it tried to hold after it pumped up and hit the 3-2 perfectly here. And then we just kind of fell off the table after that. But you can see off of these wicks here, we are holding the low once again. So, you would have to, suggest here that the bottom is in once again. So what we're going to do here, we're on the weekly candle chart. The momentum is clearly down at the moment. It's not really doing anything. But what we can simply do to get any kind of a price to watch to see, if this thing can get a bottom in and be back bullish, you can see we go low to the high here. And you can see the 786 has to break at 17. We'll move that out of the way. And then we'll simply go, I'll go to the 3-day candle chart so we can see it a little bit better here. And we'll see how this plays out. That is the wrong tool, but we'll go ahead and draw a fib from the high here at that 382 where we got stuck to the low. If I could get anything to work here, just bear with me for just a moment here. So high to the low, you can see that if we can get the price back over the 236 here to confirm a short-term bottom at that same 0017 level, so you do have a double fib there. And then you can see clearly once we get back bullish over the 382 at 21, that'll break you back above this trend line here. And at that point, you'll be in a good spot here. But you have to get over these two levels, get back over the trend, or you still do run the risk of coming down and breaking the low and going lower. So we'll see what happens here. So just keep that in mind. And then, of course, on the macro, once we get back over 2.8, the bottom is in on the macro, and then bullish over 34, or 43 rather, and then confirmed bull run on Access Protocol. Once you break over 9 here, pretty much a penny, and then we'll just kind of update it from there. And then the bigger question is, of course, where can this thing end up? So if this is the bottom on ACS here, then we do have a couple of good targets rather. So a 786 retracement from where you are right now, I think is very likely. That's where you're going to get your 10x up to a penny and a half. And then if we blow through that, I don't see why this thing would not shoot up to the 1272, hit 6.5, maybe 7 pennies, and get you a decent 44x from this potential bottom here. So of course, comment down below your comments, your thoughts on ACS at this point. None of this is financial advice, and I will see you in the next one. Peace out.